my YouTube channel. This is your girl Sandra. Welcome to my YouTube channel if you're new here. Welcome to my YouTube channel if you're a returning subscriber. Where do I even start? It's been a long time. It has been a long time. I think I've been away for probably 3 years, but 1 year since dropping a video. I feel like I haven't really been consistent for 3 years. It is what it is, but it is what it is, and I'm here. Am I here to stay? My intention is actually to stay. So what are we going to talk about today? I have some news, so you have to stay until the end of the video to actually know. I got something and I want you guys to see it. So also I am going to talk about what I've been up to. I haven't been posting, and also where my channel is headed. And you guys gonna come with me on this journey. I honestly want to say thank you to all of you guys who have been texting and saying you guys miss my sense of humor. The whole time I was like, my humor troubles. So yeah, and some of you guys were messaging saying, Sandra, it's been 1 year, please come back. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful that you guys really miss me, and you can just go your way to message me and say come back. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Let's get into the video. What have I been up to and what have I learned? I've been on a journey of self-discovery. God has been teaching me a lot about myself. I've been learning to trust God even when things didn't turn out the way I had hoped, the way I had imagined. God has been teaching me to rely on Him, a place of total surrender. I was in a season of isolation, you know, when the people that you always talk to, like everybody seems quiet, everything around you seems quiet. That was the season that I was on. I've always been doing things on my own, but this was a different kind of I'm on my own. So I am so grateful that I was on this journey, because I feel like I'm a different person now. I'm more mature. I'm more mature emotionally and spiritually. And while I was on a season of isolation, it kind of felt like punishment, but I realized that God sometimes slows things down to heal places or areas that you never knew you needed healing. So why haven't I been posting? I've been dealing with a lot of anxiety when it comes to content, the overthinking, the comparison, and the self-doubt. So things like my bed doesn't have a headboard would totally put me off. I was always wondering if people would even care or if I had anything worth sharing. That is when God really spoke to me about that. He reminded me that it's not always about perfection, but it's about obedience. It's about showing up, and it's about stewarding what I have instead of waiting for everything to feel perfect. So this season has really been about releasing fear and choosing to create even when I feel shaky. And honestly, while editing this video, I noticed the quality was a bit off because I ended up filming on the front camera. But even with that, I'm choosing to post this because this is the season where we're growing, where we're learning, and where we are doing it anyway. Where is this channel headed? Where are we headed, guys? For the past couple of years, my style has been changing. For those who have been following me for the longest time, you guys know that I have always been a cool girl. I was wearing crop tops, I was wearing cargo pants and all of that. But now, I'm not saying I'm not gonna wear cargo pants, but I'm just saying my style has changed drastically. On this channel to reflect my journey of faith, I wanted to reflect my growth. I wanted to reflect me where I am right now. I'm going to keep on doing fashion videos, but it's going to reflect my growth, so it's going to be modest outfits. Actually, when I started this channel, it was about fashion on a budget, so essentially showing people that dressing nice is not always about having money to buy expensive clothes. You can always buy cheap clothes and make them look classy, make them look like they're expensive. And so I'm going to continue doing that. Some people have mentioned that they really in the past enjoyed my DIY videos. That is something that I wish to bring to this channel. I am so excited to be back. Make sure you like this video, make sure you invite your friends, send a link, share, and also don't forget to leave or engage in the comment section. Bringing you to the last thing. Whew. drum roll, I got a Canon G7x. This is a camera that is always sold out, and oh, I got a G7x. I cannot believe it. Oh my gosh, what is in this box? I actually got a vlogger kit, so I am so excited about it. I'm just gonna be opening it with you guys here so that we can see what is inside. So, and then this is the phone, the camera holder. So that was the camera holder. Now moving on to the main baby. I'm so happy. Oh gosh. This is so... It comes with an SD card, 64 GB, a camera manual, camera charger, battery, the clip-in holder thing. I feel like my heart is pumped. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. We have a huge Shein haul coming up. Make sure you come back, make sure you subscribe, make sure you invite friends. I think you're going to love this one. I hope you come back. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye. It has this button here. It has like a normal button for a blazer where you running from the blessing, and then it gives you this. I do not mean to, but I've been through some messes. I need to get better. Hey, were you too excited? I'm in my world. Honestly guys, I literally am in front of Revolution right now and it's closed. This is my favorite restaurant in Aberdeen and it's not open. It's 10 p.m. We can go to Siberia. Where's there? Yeah, let's go. I've been there. Can we dance? No, I just dance. Anyway, so we're going to say lights on. Yeah, I don't know why it's not open. But anyway guys, thank you. Hiya. I'm here to collect my cake. No worries. I don't know, what do you guys think about my hair? Is it giving? I don't think it's giving. Thank you. So I'm gonna try and do the rest of my eyeliner on the thing, and then I'm gonna film a get ready with me to go and see Babi. I hope that works out too, because I always take content, like a lot of it, and then I don't post it, or to stay consistent for that reason. But other than that, I have been filming content for you guys. I just need the courage to edit and post. But anyway, I'm just gonna go and finish this off camera and then also do my mascara. I don't know. Girlies! Hi, Sylvia! So yeah, we're walking in heels on the cobble street. I hate a cobble street.